They said, get good marks, get into a good college, and your life will be set. They said, engineering is the safest path, a golden career, a high paying job, and a secure future. But what they did not say was this: 80% of engineers in India are either jobless or working in jobs they never studied for. Welcome to the biggest lie we were sold.
Hi guys, my name is Vishwanath Archak. As you all know, from school itself we are told that study PCM, become an engineer. Why? Because Sharmaji ka beta did it. That's what toppers do. Because it is safe. But here's the truth. Nobody, not teachers, not parents, not even colleges will tell you. Most of the engineering students in India are being mass produced like a factory items for the world that does not need them anymore. Over 1 million of engineering students graduate every year in India, and most of them are unemployed, underpaid, and working totally unrelated jobs just to survive. Let's be real, our education system is broken, our labs are outdated, our professors are teaching Java and C like that's the newest tech out there. But the industry, it's using Python, machine learning, cloud, DevOps, artificial intelligence, and UX and UI, and so much more. These companies do not care about your CGPA, they care about one thing: can you solve a problem? They want builders, doers, critical thinkers, not people who just cramp and pass time. This system will produce obedient employees, not creators, and you're taught to memorize, not to build. But in today's world, only builders will survive. Forget about that, what we are doing.
Every single day, we open our eyes, scroll the past life we could have had, scroll through the other success. Well, we are drawing and distracted. No skills, no directions, no future, just plenty of scrolling, reels, short, and dopamine addiction. We chase likes, not skills. We chase validation, not transformation. But
While you're watching the 100th reel today, someone in your age is learning Python.
launching a startup, mastering AI, making money by freelancing on the platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, building content, editing reels for the global clients, writing blogs, designing brands, selling their knowledge. This generation is not divided by rich and poor, it's divided by builders, scrollers, creators, consumers, discipline, and dopamine. What you choose. By realizing all this, I was like, I remember the exact moment I was sitting alone, scrolling Instagram, another reel, another fake job, another day wasted. That night, I made a decision to stop being a consumer and start being a creator. If you're still watching, good. That means you're not an average. This channel is not for those who wait, but it's for those who build. Here's what we give you: untold stories of entrepreneurs and legends, life lessons on mindset and discipline, stuff that shapes your life. We dive deep into the AI tech and coding related updates and thrill interview masteries. If you're done being an average, hit that subscribe button now because legends are not born, they are built here. जिंदगी में अगर उठ नहीं सकते तो दौड़ो, अगर दौड़ नहीं सकते तो चलो, अगर चल भी नहीं सकते तो रेंगो, लेकिन जो भी हो बस आगे बढ़ते रहो, बस आगे बढ़ते रहो.